Hello everyone, welcome you all. As you all know that before the vacation, we have started chapter 6 of our class 10 mathematics, that is triangles. And in that, I have already told you the basic concept of congruency and similarity. And also, we have derived the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So in this video, we'll do our next theorem, which is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Student, the theorem states that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So in this theorem, student, we have a given condition in which we will take a triangle ABC and a line L which intersect AB at point D and AC at point E, such that according to BPT, we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. And now in this theorem, we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. So we will do the proof by law of contradiction method, where we will first assume that the line DE is not parallel to BC. So students, there must be some another line which is parallel to BC. Say, according to our figure, I have drawn a line DF which is parallel to BC. Now since DF is parallel to BC, so by BPT we get AD upon DB is equal to AF upon FC. So this is our equation number 1. But as you all know that the given condition in which AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, and this is second equation. So from first and second equation we get AF upon FC is equal to AE upon EC. And now when we add 1 on both sides, we get AF upon FC plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1. So from here, we get AF plus FC upon FC is equal to AE plus EC upon EC. So according to our figure, AF plus FC is equal to AC and AE plus EC is also equal to AC. So student, from here, we get AC upon FC is equal to AC upon EC. So from here we get FC is equal to EC, which means that both F and E will coincide. So student, as per our figure, the line L and line DF both are same. Therefore student, if DF is parallel to BC, then the line L is also parallel to BC, that is DE is parallel to BC. And hence, by converse of BPT, we have proved that the line DE is parallel to BC. And now we'll do some questions which is based on exercise 6.2 of our chapter 6 triangles. So our first question for today is, in figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, then prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Students, the trick to solve the questions based on triangles is see the given conditions very carefully. See here, when we take the triangle ABC and according to our question, it is already given that LM is parallel to CB. So by applying BPT or Thales theorem, we can say that AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. And now similarly student, we will consider triangle ADC in which LN is parallel to CD, which is given in our question. So again we will apply BPT. Therefore we get AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. And now from first and second we get AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. So hence proved. And now our second question for today is, in figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. So according to the given condition students, first we will consider triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to AC, which is already given in our question. So by applying BPT, we can write it as BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC, which is our equation number 1. And now we'll consider triangle ABE in which DF is parallel to AE. This is also given in our question. So again, by basic proportionality theorem, we can write it as BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. So from equation 1 and equation 2 student, we get BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC, and hence proved. And now our third question for today is, in figure 6.20, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. So we have to show that EF is parallel to QR. First, we will consider triangle POQ in which DE is parallel to OQ. So by BPT, we can write it as PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. And now we will consider triangle POR in which DF is parallel to OR, which is given in our question. So again, by BPT, we can write it as PF upon FR is equal to PD upon DO. And now from equation 1 and 2, we can write it as PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Now since the ratio of the corresponding sides are same, so by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we get EF is parallel to QR, and hence proved. So this is the end of this video, student. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.